Are you ready to dive into the world of shotguns and discover the top 8 best options for 2023? Shotguns have come a long way, with innovation, design, versatility, and performance taking center stage. In this video, we'll explore a range of shotguns that have made their mark in the firearms world, from unique designs to cutting-edge features. So whether you're a seasoned shotgun enthusiast or just curious about the latest firearm innovations, stick around because we're about to unveil the top 8 best shotguns of 2023. Let's get started. 8. Crye Precision 612. Now, let's kick off our list of the top 8 best shotguns in 2023 with a bang, quite literally. Meet the Crye Precision 612, also known as the Vantage Arms 612 shotgun. This firearm has been turning heads in law enforcement and military circles for its innovative design and remarkable versatility. Setting itself apart from typical pump-action shotguns, the 612 boasts a removable 6-round cylinder that eliminates that distinctive chambering sound, offering a tactical advantage in stealthy situations. The 612 caters to the diverse needs of military, law enforcement, and civilians seeking a modular and user-friendly firearm. Its standout feature is the Revolver action, providing a compact and reliable platform without relying on gas systems or user action. The removable cylinder facilitates rapid reloading and quick adaptation to different rounds, addressing common cylinder gap issues with a collar system that ensures safety. In 2023, this shotgun stands as a compact, modular, and user-friendly choice for applications like home defense, breaching, and tactical operations. 7. SR-410 Compact Revolver Shotgun. Next up on our list is the SR-410 Compact Revolver Shotgun, designed specifically for the Canadian market. It's all about lightweight portability without compromising power, weighing just 4.5 pounds and measuring 24 inches in length. Despite its small size, it delivers substantial force, with .410 slugs packing double the muzzle energy of a .357 Magnum. What sets it apart is the walnut stock with aggressive checkering, ensuring a secure grip for shooters of all sizes, including beginners. The 9.8-inch barrel, threaded for interchangeable chokes and rated for steel shot, accommodates shells up to 3 inches. An optional Picatinny top rail allows for optics attachment. Complying with Canadian firearm regulations, it's not considered semi-auto or restricted, making it an excellent choice for those valuing lightweight construction, comfort, and versatility. In 2023, this shotgun embodies the perfect balance between power and portability. 6. Taurus Raging Judge. Now let's explore a truly unique firearm, the Taurus Raging Judge, a one-of-a-kind 5-shot revolver from Taurus International. This versatile handgun is designed to handle both .410 bore shot shells and .45 Colt cartridges, making it an excellent choice for self-defense, particularly for carjacking prevention and home protection. Originally designated as the 4410 and later updated to the 4510, it earned the nickname the Judge in 2006 when it was adopted by judges in high-crime areas of Miami, Florida, for personal courtroom defense. The name change from 4410 to 4510 symbolizes its versatility, and it has become one of Taurus International's top-selling firearms. What sets the Raging Judge apart is its shallow rifling, specially designed to effectively accommodate both bullets and shot shells, stabilizing bullets while minimizing shot dispersion. This makes it a formidable choice for close-quarters defense. Taurus offers various models with different barrel lengths, cylinder lengths, and finishes, catering to diverse preferences. Additionally, there's the Public Defender series, designed for concealed carry. Taurus pushed the boundaries by introducing the Raging Judge chambered for .454 Castle and .45 Colt, as well as the Raging Judge Insigne chambered for 28-gauge shot shells. The Taurus Judge is renowned for its effectiveness with buckshot and .410 shot shells, making it suitable for pest control and personal defense. 5. IY Tavor TS12. Our journey through the top 8 best shotguns in 2023 continues with a true game-changer, the IY Tavor TS12. This 12-gauge bullpup shotgun is making waves in the firearm world thanks to its unique design and innovative features. One of the standout features of the TS12 is its feeding mechanism. Unlike traditional shotguns, it utilizes 3 individual magazines, each capable of holding either 4 3-inch shotgun shells or 5 2 3 4-inch shotgun shells. This ingenious setup gives the TS-12 a potential overall capacity of 15 rounds, plus 1 in the chamber. What's more, it automatically loads a round in the chamber when a freshly loaded magazine is rotated into position, saving you precious seconds in critical situations. This shotgun is all about adaptability and user-friendliness. It offers ambidextrous feeding and unloading capabilities, making it suitable for both left and right-handed shooters. Whether you're a southpaw or a righty, the TS-12 has got you covered. Just remember, for optimal performance, it's recommended to use shells with a minimum velocity of 1200 FPS and a minimum weight of 1 1/8 ounces. 4. SRM Arms, Model 1216. At number 4, we have the SRM Arms Model 1216, a shotgun designed with a clear mission: combat readiness. This revolutionary firearm boasts impressive ammunition capacity, a compact build, and lightweight construction, setting it apart from many other shotguns. At the heart of the 1216 is its roller-delayed, straight blowback semi-automatic action, ensuring reliable performance in demanding situations. Its lower receiver is polymer, while the upper receiver, bolt group, and barrel are steel. The detachable upper receiver is the serialized part, enhancing modularity. What truly distinguishes the 1216 is its quad-tube revolving magazine, with each tube holding 4 shells, providing an impressive 16+1 shell capacity. Reloading is a breeze with a manual index lever that swiftly rotates the magazine to the next tube, facilitating quick and efficient reloading in high-pressure scenarios. This shotgun offers a unique blend of features suited for combat and self-defense applications. It's no surprise that the SRM Arms Model 1216 earns its spot as one of the top shotguns in 2023. 3. In-Arm Pentagon. Next up, let's explore the In-Arm Pentagon from Brazil. Crafted by an undisclosed armament company, this firearm stands out for its distinctive features and design choices. The Pentagon shares a visual resemblance with the Lapa FA03, another creation by Nelmo Suzano. Its most striking feature is the inverted cylinder, capable of holding 5 shotgun shells. Reloading involves splitting the weapon into 2 parts, similar to a double-barreled shotgun, secured by a retaining latch. Spent cases eject efficiently by pulling a crescent-shaped handle within the carry handle. Primarily constructed from polymer, the Pentagon offers versatility by accommodating 20 and 28 gauge ammunition with a straightforward barrel and cylinder swap. Additionally, it features an LED light within its tubular sight, activated by a trigger micro switch, catering to low-light shooting conditions. The Pentagon's straight-line configuration is its standout feature, minimizing muzzle rise during firing, enhancing accuracy and control for various shooting scenarios. Despite its promising design and unique features, only one prototype of the Pentagon was ever manufactured. 2. Armsel Striker. Now let's explore our next contender, the Armsel Striker, a 12-gauge shotgun featuring a revolving cylinder action designed for riot control and combat purposes. One of its standout features is the revolving cylinder action, reminiscent of a revolver. To tackle the challenge of a heavy cylinder and a conventional double-action trigger, Walker ingeniously incorporated a clockwork spring system. This innovation resulted in a shorter and lighter trigger pull. However, it came with the trade-off of slower loading, requiring shells to be individually inserted and the cylinder manually wound. In 1989, Walker introduced the Protecta model, a revamped version of the Striker. This redesign did away with the cylinder rotation mechanism and introduced an automatic cartridge ejection system, significantly enhancing the firearm's functionality. While the initial Striker versions faced criticism for their slow and cumbersome firing process, later models addressed these issues by removing the clockwork spring mechanism, replacing the ejector rod with an automatic ejection system, and adding a cocking lever for automatic cylinder winding. The Striker typically boasts a 12-round capacity, and even offers a compact variant with 7 rounds, showcasing its versatility across various applications. 1. Pancor Corporation Jackhammer. Ladies and gentlemen, we've reached the pinnacle of our list of the top 8 best shotguns in 2023, and it's a name that resonates with both uniqueness and innovation: the Pancor Corporation Jackhammer. This 12-gauge shotgun is not your run-of-the-mill firearm. It's a true engineering marvel with a design that turns heads. The jackhammer operates on a gas system and boasts a bullpup design, with the magazine positioned behind the trigger group, resulting in a more compact and maneuverable shotgun. What truly sets the jackhammer apart is its 10-round revolving cylinder, reminiscent of a revolver, but with a gas-operated rotation mechanism. This design offers not only a unique aesthetic, but also practical advantages, providing both semi-automatic and fully automatic firing modes, all controlled by a thumb safety selector switch. But here's the kicker. The jackhammer had a one-of-a-kind anti-personnel feature called the bear trap, allowing users to convert the loaded cylinder into a landmine-like device for delayed or pressure-triggered detonations using up to 10 shotgun shells. And there you have it, our top pick among the best shotguns in 2023. And with this, our journey through the top 8 best shotguns in 2023 has come to an end. We've explored a diverse range of shotguns, each with its unique features and innovations that make them stand out in the world of firearms. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more firearm content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us on this shotgun, and until next time, stay safe and stay informed.